Hello, my name is Eddie Wright, and I am not a Spartan. One thing I learned about my industry in this class is that it is very focused. I say focused in the ways of when I was looking for certain groups or areas to explore different ways to do my job, there was a limited number of actual helpful places or events that were in for game development specifically compared to security and game art. That is not a bad thing. That just means that I can make my own once I get more into the business. The thing I learned about my own future in this class is that it is going to be quite a long road, and it'll most likely be like my commission jobs I worked, where it will mostly be reliant on my connections. Thanks to my experience in network like jobs, I know what to expect when jumping into the gaming industry during and after my time in Full Sail. How will I apply the skills and concepts that I have learned and gained, and how will I use them for my future success, both in my academic care as well as my professional career? That is, once I get into the actual industry, I mostly be using the more literal skills and tips that I would learn to improve on my already limited knowledge. Although I would use the more emotional aspects, I guess we would call them. Yeah, I would use those to keep myself in check and then use the literal skills. By literal and emotional, I mainly mean literal, like the going to the events and looking up the people that we looked up for our homework, and then the emotional, like the psychology of play, is the one that would keep me in check. I think I should be the last person to give someone advice, but I guess I do have something nice have to say. For any future studies or students, one advice I would give you is try working with another person, like in pairs. Like, you know how you would go to the gym and you'd have a gym buddy? It's basically the same concept, but for digital wise. That way you keep each other in check and improve, and you both keep each other consistent as well. I could give some more advice. Might as well. Second advice is stick to the schedule, but always be flexible. And if you can do more, then you should. I think that's a good enough note to leave on. This is Eddie Wright signing off for the last time.